Oil sludge pyrolysis technology (TDU) takes waste-to-energy as its core and builds an efficient balance between economic benefits and ecological sustainability. From the perspective of profitability, the fuel oil it produces effectively fills the gap in the alternative energy market and reduces the energy cost of enterprises. At the same time, the government's policy inclination towards the environmental protection industry provides special funding support for oil sludge treatment projects, significantly improving the project return rate. Pyrolysis technology (TDU) also drives employment in the industrial chain, such as equipment manufacturing and operation and maintenance services, injects vitality into the local economy, and achieves a win-win situation of social benefits and commercial value. At the sustainability level, technology promotes the low-carbon transformation of energy structure and reduces fossil energy consumption through oil sludge resource utilization. Pyrolysis technology (TDU) realizes the harmless decomposition of harmful substances, greatly reduces the risk of soil and groundwater pollution, and practices the concept of circular economy. Its harmless treatment process is more in line with the green strategy of the petroleum industry, helping enterprises to fulfill their environmental responsibilities and enhance the competitiveness of green brands. Oil sludge pyrolysis (TDU) breaks the dilemma between environmental protection and profitability through technological innovation, not only providing practical solutions for reducing costs and increasing efficiency for the energy industry, but also contributing key technical support to global sustainable development goals.